Hi guys, we're ready to go on with area and decomposing figures. I'm going to have you jump to lesson 6-8. We'll go backwards later to 6-7. So you're going to need your math packet number 1, a pencil, a ruler for some straight lines, an eraser, and we're going to start on page 327. And we'll end on 328. So get those things and then we'll continue. All right. So first things first, we're going to review what is area. Area is taking the length times the width of something. So in this case, it's 6 times 7 is 42 centimeters squared. So if we look at our first page, 327, number 1, we're going to look at how can we decompose this figure. Well, we can do it in multiple ways, but we're going to do this one together and number 2 together, and then we'll try 3 and 4 with you trying it first and then checking it. So let's draw a line right here. We could have drawn a line right here to make 2 rectangles, but I chose here. So we're going to try there right now. All right, then we're going to mark our length and our width. And we have a 4 and a 3, and our length and a width on this one is 2 and 2. I like to try to put the numbers where I can tell it goes with that one. So we know that area is 4 times 3 plus the 2 times 2. And then we find out the 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 times 2 is 4. And 12 plus 4 is 16 centimeters squared. So you should be writing this down on your paper so you have it to refer to later. If you need to pause the video at any time, do so and then start me back up. I'll be here. All right, number 2, I'm going to draw my line there. Now I could have drawn it straight across here, but I tend to go down first. I don't know why. It just is. Then I'm going to mark my length and width on the first rectangle, and on the second one, my length and my width. And then I am going to put the first one in parentheses, 1 times 3, and the second one, 4 times 2. And then I have a final answer of 1 times 3 is 3, plus 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 plus 8 is 11. And don't forget your label, centimeters squared. Many are forgetting that on their homework when they turn it in. So you catch up here, and then we'll move on to number 3. All right, number 3. I've got 2 of them here. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do that, but I first want you to try number 3 on your own. So pause it right now, try number 3, and then we'll check it 2 ways, and you can check if your answer is accurate. Go ahead and pause. All right, here we go. I ended up doing this one this way. If you didn't, hold on just a minute because we'll show it the other way too. And you should have gotten, in this case, 3 times 2 is 6, and 5 times 3 is 15, and we got 21 centimeters squared. I could have gone this way and had a 3 and a 5 here, and a 2 and a 3 here. Oops. Sorry, guys. Here we go. And now we have 3 times 5 plus 2 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. And that still is 21 centimeters squared. No matter which way you drew your line on yours, you should have still ended with the same answer. And you should have still had equations with 2 different rectangles in each of these and 2 different multiplications in parentheses in each of these. All right. You try number 4, pause it, then start the video when you're ready to check. All right. These are 2 ways that you could have done number 4. As long as you've done one of them, you're correct. So as you can see, I have 2 and 4 is 8, and 5 times 2 is 10, and I got 18 square centimeters, or I could have gone 2 times 6 and 3 times 2. Now, what order you go in for these makes no difference to me, as long as you end up with the same answer. Now, try number 5 on your own. Pause the video here. Let's check it. There you go. This is what you should have ended with. Pause the video while you check yours. Miss Fiona, the kids don't need to hear you barking. Sorry, guys. You do know I'm at home. All right, here we go. Try number 6. Start the video when you're ready to check it, and then we'll check it together. This is what you should have gone with. So you notice I had 3 rectangles, or a square and 2 rectangles, and 3 rectangles here. And then I end up with 3 parentheses here. So notice no matter what, I still come up with the same answer. All right, your job today is to do page 328. You're going to take a picture of your finished work, open a new Google Doc, name it your name, and call it Decomposing 6-8, or just call it 6-8. You're going to share it with me, upload your pictures of your finished work. So it's page 328. Go ahead, have fun with it, and I will talk to you tomorrow.